Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In additional of Wednesday, September the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. This one is the 4-star Sudoku number 9293. 9293. Let me zoom this. Okay. 9293. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 as usual. Yeah. 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4-star puzzle. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 2 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. All right. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, no, 2 fives, 1, 6, 3 sevens, 5 eights. Wow. And 2, 3 nines. So the eights are and the threes are in majority. Can I start with the eights? Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next now need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below no need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. There are only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 3s? 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So the column 3 now only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Oh, 3, 3, 3. In this row, we need a 3. These two boxes can be 3 because we have 3 in this big square, no 3 there. This box can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. So we need a 3 there. 3. Well. 3. Cannot continue with the 3. Now, let me blow my nose. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left on 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. Nope. Need a 9 there. 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. One here. Come on. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 there. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. 2. 2. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. Oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 3. We have 2 and a 3 in the third column. No 2 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 2 and a 3 in the middle row. No 2 and a 3 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and the 3 as a pair. 2 and a 3, okay. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places left, 2, could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, 5, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. Okay, so the 1 should be here. 2, 3, need a 4. 1, 4, and I need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. 7, 7. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. Need a 2. Need a 5. Yep, 5 in this column. Last column, 5 in the column next on that column. Only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Wow. How about 2, 3, need a 1 here. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. 124. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 1 here. 1, 1, need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 9, 6. Well, 9 and a 6. We already have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, here can be 1, we have a 1 in this big square, no 1 there. Here can be a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Alright, 2, 6, 4. Need a 6 here. 6, 6, 6. 1, 3. And a 5. No, 1, 3, and a 9. No 9 here. 1. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we got you. The hidden number. This is the hidden number. This box, or naked number, some people call this a naked number. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be a 9. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 4 should be here. These 2 should be the reserved for the 2 and the 3. So now I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so column next, only 3 places left. 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left of 9 should be here. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column, the only 2 places left of the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. Okay, and now 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left of 9 should be there. 5 and the 6, okay. Then let me see. 1, 2, and 2, and leave the 7. 2, yeah, 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, now 2, 4, 5. Need a 5 here. I need a 5. 5, 5. 2, 2, 2, and a 4. Could be everywhere. Okay, and now. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2, 6, 2, 6. Come on. 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. Ah, we have a pair. In this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have 1 and 2 in this column, no 1 and 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 and 2 in this row, no 1 and 2 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 1 and a 2 in this second row, no 1 and 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left here. We have here 5, 6, 7. The other 2 missing numbers are the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 4, 6, 5, 6. Come on. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 to 6, 5 to 6. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 5 in the first row. 5 in the second row. So the third row. The only place left, the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left here. The 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 and the 4, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left, the 4 should be there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 goes there, finish in 60 minutes. Well, we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw. Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.